So I thought I would show you how I've used some mixing and a logical switch to allow for control of the tracks of the excavator. There's it comes with the regular brushless ESCs, the standard for this this machine. So it's the mixing of the tracks has to be done in the radio. First, go into the menu for this model. First, page number 5. I've added 2 inputs that I called TR1 and TR2, both for this, the aileron and the elevator. Also have inputs on S1 and S2 for left and right track. And as you can see in here, I've done nothing but naming the input and say that the source is elevator. Next, here is mixing in menu number 6, page 6. So I have my tracks on channel 6 and 7. So what I want to do is for the excavator to move forward, backwards, and turn around its own axis when I use aileron. So the way I've done it is I've added mixing to each channel. For the left track, I've just added input 1 and 2. For the right track, I've reversed track or TR2. They are also controlled by logical switch L01, which I have here on a button. You can see it changes. Go in and show you. So the source, input TR1, weight 100, and the switch, it's logical switch 1. Multiplex is add, and that's it. And in order to create turning on the spot for TR2 on the right track, I put the weight to a -100, so it's basically reversed. Everything else is the same. Then in the outputs, like I said, channel 6 and 7 are the tracks. And for the logical switch, I just said use the function A equals X, meaning the switch is on when switch F, which is this one on this radio, is -100 or depressed. As you can see, when I push the button, you can see that it's activated. I'm not sure if you really need to go this route, but I did it just because I'm learning the radio, and it works. I will also show you that doing it this way, at least, it's sort of a fail-safe. So for the excavator, if you don't push the button, you can see the boom and the bucket. And then S1, S2, it's also on a switch. But I also wanted to replicate that and do it easier when moving the machine while using it. So that's why I wanted to have it here on the stick as well. So you can see when I use those, left and right track does not move. Switch this button, you can see it move. It's the same here, it doesn't move when switch F is not activated. Activate. As you can hear, there's still some more. I have to do a better job on the sound. So there will be a new video coming on mixing the sound in a proper way. So to be continued. Thanks for watching.